How to check your purchase history on Amazon. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Amazon.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to check your purchase history on Amazon, tap on the three lines you see on the top left of your screen and scroll down, and under the Help and Settings tab, you will see the option for your account. Tap on that. Further, go ahead and tap on the Your Orders option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your purchase history from the past 3 months. You can also tap on the drop down you see there and change the timeline of your purchase history. You can also tap on the Buy Again tab and you will be recommended with all the products that you have recently purchased. So, this is how you can check your purchase history on Amazon. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.